Okay, this video we're gonna do Sintra Hotel. Sintra is right here. We're standing in front of the Grand Emperor, and there's Lisboa right there, Grand Lisboa. So let's go check it out. We're gonna walk in front of it, so we're gonna walk down that street, and you can get a better view of it. Chiquinha, Chiquinha. Let's go check out the room. Chiquinha. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so there's Sintra. So we're gonna be walking into the street, and we're gonna try to cross that street right there if we can catch the green light. I don't know if we can or not. This right here, it's Grand Emperor Hotel. Got kind of a rainy day, so you got the green light. So let's see if we can get across. Good, we got all the lights. So there's Sintra. You can see this nice little balcony all the way across. We're gonna get underneath in a minute. So Hotel Sintra. Hotel Sintra, Macau. And now we can kind of get a little bit of, so that's our main lobby right there. And we're just gonna kind of do a little 360. Grand Lisboa is right there. See a little bit of Lisboa casino right there, that little thing right there like that. This goes down to kind of a it's kind of a place where they have the bus terminals right there. Grand Emperor, and over there is a lake. Macau Tower is over on the other side. It's blocked right now. New João is a department store. So we're gonna kind of walk in front of Sintra a little bit. Let's see, I don't know if you can see in or not. Looks like that on the inside. And Sintra, 24 hours, okay. So there are some like currency exchange stuff, watches, stuff like that. Grand Lisboa. So what we're gonna do is walk a little bit further, and then we'll end it probably over here. Just kind of show you the street that Sintra's on, which is right there. I got some raindrops on there. Okay. Anyways, we'll end it right there. Chiquinha, Chiquinha, toma cuidado da